Hello everyone and welcome back to part 2 of Sabertooth, coloring, rendering, and lighting. I'm really looking forward to sharing this next step with you on the coloring process. I've been using Sketchbook Pro professionally for many years, and it is my go-to for concept sketching as well as coloring, rendering for final key art delivery. Very powerful, versatile tool. I'll be breaking down the coloring process of how I go from a concept sketch to a finished rendering. Now, this is the mood board and references to outline our form, intensity, and color. They provide us with excellent examples of the Bengal tiger, the opening of his jaw, his intensity, and most importantly, the skull of the saber-toothed tiger. So I'm using this synthetic coarse angular brush to rough in on a layer that's on top multiplied, and this is going to allow me to get a very fine fur feeling. As you can see, I'm roughing in the Bengal saber-tooth's fur, and I love this brush. It's great for it. It's a good applique. I'll switch between a couple different brushes in this process. Right now I'm coloring on top with a multiply on, just to be sure I preserve the pencil underneath. Now for filling, I go back to the paintbrush 4, and right now I'm roughing in, massing out areas of color and value. Great brush. I usually lower the opacity. As you can see, I'm laying in the green, and then I go to a different brush, the wash brush, to blur it out and to blend it all together. These are the three main tools that I use throughout the process. You can see it's starting to come together in value, in color, and mood. So once again, I'm switching back. Any block fills, I'll use the large paintbrush number 4, and then I'll switch back and forth between that and the wash brush for the blending. Then I'll come back with my airbrush hardline to go ahead and add in any detail that I need, like I'm doing right now. This is my favorite part, where I start painting with light. I'm adding highlights on the nose, rim lighting, and I'll cover that more in the full session. So there you have it. I hope everyone enjoyed this tutorial preview. For the full lesson, visit my patreon.com RC7, and stay tuned for another Sketchbook Pro session. This is RC Radio. Thank you for your time, and ciao for now.